Hi. Nowadays, all of us are trying to give our friends gifts with plants. Today, I'm going to show you on how to make a plant ball with a waste water bottle, used water bottle. Cut the water bottle. I had taken a small water bottle. I had cut it over here. If children are doing, ask your parents to do this. I removed the upper part, and for the lower part I had taken agarbatti and this. I am making holes with agarbatti. I had made the small holes to hang it, and now I am making a little big hole with the doop stick. See how I am making the holes. With the help of this agarbat doop kaddi, I had given holes for the bottle on all the sides and two small holes here on opposite sides to hang it. Now I have taken a wire, folded it, and I am showing how to hang this. I have taken one from inside, and again I am removing the two from the other hole out. This way I have tied this side, and the other side also I am going. I have brought this outside. I am tying this over here. Now this was ready for hanging anywhere. Now I am taking some mud, not some mud, some soil. I am taking now some soil for plants. I am putting some soil in the bottle. For violets, you can take even a money plant or any other plants that grow with the little soil and less water, and you pierce them one by one from the holes here. You place them in this way. I had kept some plants, then I am placing some more oil, and again I am going to pierce some plants over here. From top also I had placed one, and I had given a soil, and I poured some water to it. This is what we are making a ball, but you have to make it 1 week or 10 days before you want to gift it to your friends, so that when you are giving a gift, it will be ready for you the leaves won't be get faded, and it can be hang anywhere in the house, on your bed, in your bedroom, on your staircase, on the walls also you can hang it. You can hang it anywhere. I'll show one more plant like that. This is I'm hanging in the balcony, and this is the ball I had made before with money plant. We can spray this if you are keeping it in a in your bedroom or any other way in your house. But if it is in balcony, you can directly pour water, otherwise spray it. You make these balls before 1 week or 10 days before you are giving a present to your friends or anyone, so that they will be fresh when you give. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share it.